Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a mini what's in my tag along makeup bag. I have makeup kit, I have makeup collections, but this is my everyday makeup that I use on a daily basis. Everything that I must have when I'm doing my makeup is in this little kit right here. This kit is actually from Clinique. It's a pretty big kit for everyday. But let's get right into it. Alright, so first thing that I use on a daily basis is the Tarte Shape Tape. I definitely use this on a daily basis to do my highlight. This is the color Deep. I use this in Tan Sand. My Sephora powder to powder my face. This is color Deep as well, Deep 60. I use my go-to foundation, of course. This is the Maybelline Super Stay in the color Coconut. My holy grail. This is my Estee Lauder Double Wear Powder in the color Sandalwood. I use this, you guys see in every video I use this. This is the Sonia. It's a little dirty, but whatever. This thing here is really nice. Like I said, this is an everyday kit, so yeah, it's gonna be a little dirty, boo. I gotta clean it. Y'all don't talk about me because I haven't cleaned my stuff yet. This is my powder brush. This is from Estee Lauder as well. I have paint the bottom of it, so I know if somebody got my stuff. My everyday mascara. This is the Sumptuous Extreme by Estee Lauder. You can never have too many foundations, right? That's a brand new one. This I've been really loving. I need to replenish. This is the Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. Ugh, don't mind. This is from the brushes. The texture of the product is matte. It gets dirty really fast. I wipe it off all the time, but it gets back dirty. This is a Revlon Mauve lip color that I like. This color is 215 Supernatural. Give you a good little natural look. This is my concealer brush that I use from Estee Lauder. This is the Smashbox Always On Gel Liner that you guys see me use in the last few videos. Only thing I don't like about that liner is for some reason it does not sharpen. Like I put it in a bunch of different sharpeners. I even tried it in my electric sharpener and it wouldn't sharpen. So I don't know if they make their own sharpener that goes with that. The Nars Radiant Concealer. This is medium to dark to caramel. I use the highlight and around my brows. This is a new find that I've just been using. This is e.l.f.'s Instant Lift Brow Pencil. I love it. This color is, it sucks because it doesn't have the color on it. And I don't have the box. Like, who keeps the box? This was one of my favorites. Like, this was my favorite pencil ever, and it's so freaking cheap. To me, it compares to the Anastasia Brow Wiz. This pencil is like $5. This one is black and brown. I don't use it that much anymore because you can't use too much of it or you have those dark brows. And I like the banging brunette, but they never have it. I hate that. And they only sell it online. The ones that they sell in the stores is not banging brunette. This one is the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. I saw someone use this online and oh my gosh, I fell in love with it. This is a good buy, especially for if you're just starting out with doing your own makeup or having a makeup kit. That is definitely worth it. And since we're in the e.l.f. category, I cannot go without my e.l.f. liquid liner. Like, this is my holy grail. It goes on so smooth and it's like one of the blackest of blacks. I absolutely love it. And then I travel with my Origins Ginseng. We have the big one, but I do like to use the sample sizes when I'm traveling. So if I'm going out for the day and I need to wash my face before I apply my makeup if I'm already out, or if I am going on a vacation, I don't want to pack all of my big stuff, so I like the travel sizes. This one actually came in a kit. This is really good. It's a refreshing scrub cleanser. Oh my gosh, this makes your skin look so pretty once you go ahead and apply everything else. Since we're in the Origins family, I also like the Checks and Balance. This is a minty, like frosty face wash. It's so amazing. When I say it's gonna strip all of the dirt and oils out of your skin, oh my gosh, your skin is gonna be so dry after this. So once you use this, make sure you follow up with a serum, a moisturizer. Matter of fact, you can do double serum, because this really strips all of the impurities out of the skin. But I do love that. Now, as far as my serums, I do use 2 serums on a daily basis. This is One Essential by Dior. I absolutely love this. I don't travel with this because it is glass. The other packaging they used to have was plastic. This I really love. I put that one first, I detoxify, and then I follow up with my holy water. Okay, this is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. This is amazing. When I say best serum in the world, best serum in the world. It has hyaluronic acid, so it just really makes the skin look good. Now, after I do all of that, I go in with the Ginseng from Origins. This is their energy boosting gel moisturizer. I don't know if that one has coffee, this face drop, but this one is the one that has coffee. This is amazing. It's gonna make the skin look so refreshed after you wash. Another one of my favorite little primers. Like I said, I do have a lot of travel size stuff. When I'm traveling, I can't fit too much in this bag, even though I do put a lot in there. This is the Maybelline Master Primer base. This hydrating smooth, so it's kind of like a smoothing out the pores, but not as much. It's just gonna give you that smooth base so that your makeup can go on more silky. This is my eye cream from Estee Lauder, and also in the Advanced Night Repair family. This is the Advanced Night Repair eye cream. It has the hyaluronic acid as well. That's gonna really supercharge the eyes. It's for dark circles and all of that stuff, so it's gonna wake the eyes up. Okay, so for my last primer, when my pores are just terrible, this is my Professional travel size primer. Okay, this primer is for smoothing out the pores. It's the best thing on the market for smoothing pores. Here are some of the concealers that I use. I already did the main 2 that I use. I also use sometimes Fawn, LA Girl Fawn, and then the orange color corrector. I don't use that much. Or maybe if I have a dark spot, but I usually don't have those. Like I say, I do have the Brow Wiz. If my other like before I bought the elf ones, I was using the black and brown because I didn't have any more of the Bang & Brunette. However, it was too dark for me, so I started back using the Anastasia Brow Wiz, and this color is chocolate, so it's not too dark. As far as more concealers, this is a new one that I just added to my collection. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Cameo Concealer. It's a satin finish, and this is in the color Deep Caramel. This is another mascara that I like. It's very volumizing. This is the L'Oreal, right? It's L'Oreal? I believe it's L'Oreal. That sucks because it doesn't have a name on it, but I believe it's L'Oreal. Voluminous Feline. I like it because look at the brush. I like those brushes that have really tiny bristles that gets all of my little lashes together. So when I put on my fake lashes. All right, some perfume. This is the only one that I have in travel size. I do have a bigger one as well, but this is a must, lady, to have in your fragrance collection. This is a very sophisticated smell. Love it. That's the YSL Black Opium, and this was one by Kate Spade. I don't use this. This is a roll-on, but you know, it's always good to have it. You know, I keep me for my lashes, even though when y'all see me do my videos, I never use those. And for some reason my lipstick's not in here. I keep me a pair of small scissors so that when I'm doing my lashes, I can cut off the tips. This is a new thing I bought. I haven't used it yet. I don't even know why it's in there. These are also 2 new lip glosses I got from e.l.f. I have not used that. I keep me some Duo. I usually have bonding glue in here. I don't know what happened to it, but we ain't gonna talk about that. Back of these travel size, and then I just keep me some little wet wipes, and that is pretty much everything that is in my kit, guys. I hope you guys like this video and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.